2025 is almost over, just a little time left. And today I will tell you that if you want the next year to be different, if you have some goals that you want to achieve, and if you have failed many times while trying to achieve those same goals, from the years of experience, I have built a lot of good habits. I have eliminated many of my bad habits, and I can say this with full confidence that I have realized is, it doesn't matter how hard you work, it matters how much leverage you have. You cannot just build good habits out of nowhere one day and quit all bad habits. You cannot reach your goals until you build a fail-proof system to reach your goals. Everyone online says, don't set goals, set systems. But what the fuck does a system actually mean? A system is a set of things working together as parts of a mechanism or an interconnecting network. A complex whole. The purpose of a system is efficiency, to prevent you from overthinking or failing or basically not have to think and just win easily. This will make you stay on track effortlessly, whether you are sick or healthy or unmotivated or deep in a rut. It doesn't matter because when you follow the right system, then it doesn't matter. Like you will be able to achieve your goals automatically. So around like 2 years ago, I was heavily addicted to video games. I used to play 18 hours a day just for reaching the highest rank possible. And I kept on grinding and grinding. And like, don't get me wrong, I did have goals and dreams and ambitions, but it was just so freaking hard to study and work on the things I knew I had to do. And so damn fucking easy to just play a video game and level up in a damn video game. Then actually I studied in depth about what actually makes these video games so addictive. Like I was able to grind and grind for hours in a game, but for studying for like 10 minutes made me feel like absolute fucking crap. It was just something which baffled me, like why is life so hard? Long story short, I found out and realized that all of us have a deep-rooted subconscious progression drive inside of us, which craves progress, which craves making effort towards a meaningful goal, meaning working hard, earning money, etc., for reproduction, to become attractive to the opposite gender, to do the stuff that happens in the bed or to have fun time. And video gaming companies hijack this completely where like you study for 2 hours in real life and there is no immediate reward. But in video games, you get so many sound effects, instant validation for your efforts, and it actually makes it feel like you are achieving something. So your brain naturally just chooses video games over studying. But now you can get that same insane, monstrous level of progression drive to do the hard things which you need to do to achieve your goals effortlessly. I have made a system which works using video game mechanics to give you instant validation, instant reward for the hard work you do, like work, study, working out, etc. This literally hypercharges your progression drive and literally craves you to want to complete your quests and achieve your goal effortlessly. This is the Level Life system. On the left, you have the status window, highlighting your rank, level, gold balance, and experience points. On the right, you have your class and subclass system for different areas of life. And then after this, you have the quest board where you just create quests and then complete them, earning experience points and gold balance, which you can then use in this marketplace. This Level Life system is one of the most powerful and underrated tool that you can use to just achieve your goals effortlessly. Well, now how does it work like? Video games, you get instant validation for your efforts. Immediate reward. In real life, you study for 2 hours. Well, nothing happened, just vague sensation of you got something done, you work hard and finally post that video or start your business and you get like 8 views. Life is pretty brutal, ain't it? Well, video games feel so loving. But now Level Life gives you instant gratification for the efforts you make in real life. Study for 1 hour, instant reward, complete your quest and earn experience points and gold, level up your character, save up gold to buy real life rewards, and the cool thing? Everything is fully customizable and unrestricted. Get Level Life today and unlock your progression drive. Link in pinned comment or description.